This Bachand Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Aiden Bachand. Renovation opportunity in East End. This fixer-upper features 3 large bedrooms and 1 small bathroom. The kitchen and living areas on the main floor are large with lots of natural light coming through the windows. There is a large deck of the back side of the house in need of an upgrade, as well as a detached garage and 2 off-street parking spaces. Perfect project for the upcoming summer. For more information, review the details below or contact Aiden Bachand at 218-390-9594.